So I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Ray-Ban Meta AI glasses. So first you're going to do is fold the arms. Now once you fold the arms, you want to find the capture button, this one right here. So basically you want to press the capture button 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then press and hold this button until you see the LED light. It is blinking white and orange. So there you go, it's blinking white and orange. You can now let go and it's gonna factory reset and erase everything on the glasses. So that is basically how to perform a factory reset. Simple as that. Now you might also want to go to your phone and go to the Bluetooth settings and unpair the glasses. So if you go to your phone's Bluetooth settings, you might see the glasses. So let me just try and see if I can find them. Here they are, Ray-Ban Meta. You want to go and unpair. So forget this device. And now you've finished the process of resetting these glasses. Thanks for watching and good luck.